Yeah, this morning it is time to get you a check of the forecast here because, Lauren, as you mentioned, we had a lot of rainfall yesterday, and now this morning we were watching some dying thunderstorms about 50 miles south of our location here at Fort Myers Beach. The sun is starting to come up. There's a lot of activity happening here on this 1-year anniversary post-Hurricane Ian. Let's get you out the door, and we're going to start this morning with the radar. Once again, we are seeing activity all around South Florida, in particular down over mainland Monroe and down in the Florida Keys. A few showers still remaining here from Marco Island, and a couple of lightning strikes there near Port of the Island, south of 41, in the extreme portions of southwestern Collier. A little more concentrated rain there in the southern parts of Miami-Dade. But as we look up and down our coastline here, we are looking at a fairly dry day. Now, yesterday we managed to pick up about 3/4 of an inch. That helps. You look at our rainfall deficits here for the year, and we are about 12.5 inches behind. We need to make up some more on that deficit, but every afternoon here, at least through the first half of the weekend, we have a fairly high rain chance. Let's walk you through what we can expect here. I know we have a big clock unveiling ceremony coming up here in a couple of hours. I think we're going to be dry for that. Most of the rain should arrive later on this afternoon and this evening, and you can see those showers and thunderstorms developing there between Clewiston and Marco right around 5 o'clock. Now, as we look at our temperatures, it's humid this morning. We're warm. We're in the mid to upper 70s with an 80 reported over my shoulder out there in Sanibel. And you can see those dew point values, mid to upper 70s here early. It's very humid, and with the humidity and the rain yesterday, a little bit of fog being reported this morning, about 1.5 miles for the Cape and 2.5 out towards Lehigh. Our average this time of year is 89. We'll be in the upper 80s there, and some locations that see some sunshine could possibly hit that 90-degree mark, but most of us should be right there in the upper 80s. Setup, well, we still have that deep tropical moisture in place, and that's going to continue to keep our rain chances high. Matter of fact, as you look at the trend here, 80% chance over the next couple of days, eventually dwindling down there Sunday and Monday. So as we look at your 7-day forecast, we're going to see that high chance of rain before we get back to a scattered chance of rain early next week. Afternoon highs staying near our average.